your vicinity so that you can think about creating your intellectual property. This intellectual property is going to give you wealth. I give you one example. There was a lady with National Chemical Laboratory. National Chemical Laboratory आहे पुण्यामध्ये माहिती आहे का? किती जणांना माहिती आहे? NCL. Wherein that lady was doing her PhD. After doing the PhD, the work done by that particular lady was registered under intellectual property rights or patent. And the patent was granted. The patent was, that means usually if you go to Microsoft, Google, all these companies, they have hundreds of people just looking for patents all over world. They just look at the patent which has a potential and grab that person. उसके साथ deal करते हैं. वो बोलते हैं कि now we want your work, we'll give you whatever money you want. And that lady was called like Johnson and Johnson Company. Johnson and Johnson Company paid her 5 crore rupees for the patent. Just imagine, if you start working throughout your life, you will not earn 5 CR from the salaries that you will. This is the potential of intellectual property. I have one faculty at previous college who got 13 crore rupees from Ducati bikes for one patent. You may have hundreds of patents. Just imagine you will be the richest person if your patents are being commercialized. Recently, one of my patents got 50 lakh rupees from Government of India under BIRAC, Biotechnology Ignition Grant. And now it will be taken to TRL level 9. What is TRL level 9? I will be telling you in future. So the most important thing is to earn wealth out of your intellect. God has given intellect to everybody. सबको दिमाग दिया है. किसी को कम दिया होगा, किसी को ज़्यादा दिया होगा, but everybody has brain. Now you have to use it. Now so when you want to use it, अभी तक whatever the education system that we have from British, we never think about something which is expected to be the outcome. Now in new education policy NEP 2020, it has been introduced that you have to think about innovation, you have to think about entrepreneurship right at school level. 7th standard, the students are working on innovation and entrepreneurship. So you have to start thinking about entrepreneurship as an alternative to job. आपको जॉब मिलता है तो कितना सैलरी मिलेगा? 8 लाख, 10 लाख, 12 लाख. 12 लाख के आगे तो नहीं मिलेगा. If you are extraordinary, you will get 24 lakhs. Somewhere in maybe Amazon or some another company. That too not in electrical. That too in software. But if you want to work hard and create your own identity and start working as an entrepreneur, you will earn the same amount of money that you are earning for a year in a month. Because if you look at the turnover of different companies in Pune, they are in crores of rupees. 100 crores, 200 crores, 2000 crores. I am talking about MSME. I am not talking about bigger companies. I am not talking about OEMs. I am talking about the small companies, MSME. So you have to start thinking as an alternative. I think I must have addressed you at the first year level.
Yes, sir.
First year को address किया था ना? Because I remember I have addressed all 800 students at first year level. So This is something that you have to, I have told you at the first year level that you have to think at first year that whether you want to start your own enterprise, whether you want to go for MS in US or Germany or any other country in the world, or whether you want to serve for some company. आपको इन्फोसिस में काम करना है या इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्री में काम करना है या एमएस करने के लिए बाहर जाना है या खुद का इंडस्ट्री निकालना है. यू हैव टू डिसाइड राइट एट फर्स्ट ईयर लेवल. So first year itself you have to start thinking about what product I should choose depending upon your interest and develop that product in the next 4 years, so that by the time you reach final year for your project you should have a complete concept developed in your mind and prototype developed in my innovation center, and that product should be launched in the market when you are in final year. That should be the attempt and that should happen, but it is not happening. Hardly 0.1% of the students start thinking about at first year. Yesterday one student from first year came. He was from Latur and he came, sir मुझे नौकरी नहीं करनी है, मुझे बिजनेस करना. And he came with an idea. I told him that you just get it registered under my incubation center. We will incubate you under pre-incubation. We will give you a mentor. The most important thing for any product to develop, you need a mentor. And we'll give you a mentor, one industry mentor, one education mentor, and then you start working on it. You build your team. इन्फोसिस कैसे चालू हुआ था? नारायण मूर्ति अकेले नहीं थे, उनके साथ उनके फ्रेंड्स थे. So you have to build a team. So start thinking about building your team with other departments, not only from your department. So you should have friends from mechanical department, you should have friends from computer and IT. Come together, start thinking about a particular product. It is now, because our college is autonomous college, you have been allowed to work in multidisciplinary projects. जैसे एक बच्चा इलेक्ट्रिकल का है, एक मैकेनिकल का है, 2 कंप्यूटर के, and you have submitted a proposal कि हम ये 4 लोग एक प्रोजेक्ट करने वाले हैं. You are allowed to do that. Start thinking about it. Now you are at second year level. Start thinking about it. To generate ideas for the benefit of society and our nation. Now our Prime Minister is focusing on Atmanirbhar Bharat, Vikasit Bharat, Ayushman Bharat, Kushal Bharat. क्या है ये? Because he wants that our country should have a 5 trillion economy maybe next 10 years. Now to become 5 trillion economy, everybody should have some idea so that you can create your own products, not only for our country but for other countries also. Now I request you on 24, 25 and 26th of this month, there is a Defense Expo in Moshi. So the Defense Expo, you should go in the defense. Now defense sector is open for, previously defense products were only permitted to PSUs, public sector undertakings. Now a small industry can start thinking about developing a product for defense and selling it all over the world. I'll give you one example. One of my students, through which we have developed the largest 3D printer, he is the first person in India to develop all missiles in 3D printing. Pinaka missile 20 feet लंबा 3D printing पे बनाया. DRDO scientists could not recognize which one is real and which one is 3D printed. See the accuracy, see the color combination. Right from bullet to submarines. he has developed everything in 3D printing just to showcase. समझो मुझे पोलैंड में मेरे वेपन्स सेल करने, मैं तो मेरा बॉम्ब लेके नहीं जा सकता वहाँ पे. So what I should have a 3D model of the same bomb of the same size, and I will display it in Poland. So Polish people will have a deal with our maybe Dehu Road Development Center, the ammunition factory, and they give an order of 1,000 missiles. So we will get an order of 1,000 missiles from Poland, and this has happened. The first consignment of all such 3D printed weapons was sent by our Modi ji to Europe, USA, and one exhibition in Bengaluru. Now the second exhibition in Pune. So try to visit that. You will explore so many possibilities that you can think about. For doing all these things, the purpose is that you should register your startup. Now, what is a startup? What is the difference between a startup and a business? Anybody? Difference between a startup and business, doing a business. Previously, if you go to startupindia.com, Startup India बोल के एक वेबसाइट है, इसके ऊपर जाते हो, पहले कंडीशन था कि when you want to go for a startup, you should have patent in your name. आपके साथ पास पेटेंट है तो ही आप स्टार्टअप कर सकते हो. Now that condition has been removed. Now you can hire a patent from somebody else and do your startup. Startup is a business opportunity wherein you want to work on some innovative product or innovative service. पहले ओला उबेर था क्या? नहीं था. Somebody thought कि मुझे मर्सिडीज हायर करनी है तो नहीं मिलती है. I have to buy Mercedes. और मर्सिडीज बाय करना is not a joke. So somebody thought कि if somebody wants to hire Mercedes, that should be available. And that's why Ola came with a feature. Nowadays, there are no chauffeurs. That means driver is not there. You can hire your car, you will be the driver, you leave wherever you want to leave it. The bill will be on your dashboard, you pay the bill and leave the car over there. Somebody will pick it from there and take it somewhere else. This is going to happen. This has started with bicycles in Pune. You must have find the bicycles put on the roads. You can take that bicycle, ride over there, leave wherever you want to leave, pay the bills, and you are free to use that. That is the concept. Maybe in future, aeroplanes will come into that. Small aeroplanes will come into that feature. You want a chartered flight, you book the flight, go into that flight, maybe you want to leave that flight at Bangalore, leave it. The things will be available. So you have to think about such things in the mind. There is Global Innovation Index. Worldwide, India stands at 40th position. India is the biggest country. You will find that 140 crore people and so many things. 20 lakh engineers coming up every year. क्या हो रहा है? कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. किसानों के लिए कुछ काम कर रहे हो आप? नहीं कर रहे. India is an agrarian country wherein 60% of the people are livelihood is agriculture. But what we are doing, whatever projects they are doing, they are the same repetitive projects. किसी ना तो कि 10 साल पहले किया हुआ प्रोजेक्ट आप करते हो, नहीं तो बाजार से खरीद के लाते हो और बताते हो प्रोजेक्ट गाइड को कि ये प्रोजेक्ट है. दिमाग यूज नहीं करो. You have to start thinking about your own intellect for developing products, innovative products, so that our global innovation index should be in top 10 countries in the world. Finland, a small country equivalent to Maharashtra state or less than that, is in 7th rank all over world. Switzerland, a small country, maybe equivalent to Mumbai, is first in the world. तो एक इतना सा कंट्री पूरे वर्ल्ड में टॉप पे हो सकता है, तो why not we? For that, you should all think about innovation. You should all think about the innovation development process and how that is going to happen. That we have an RSCOE Innovation and Incubation Foundation, this is Section 8 company, wherein the mission and vision statement is that vision is to support the youth. You're all youth. To enhance innovation and entrepreneurship culture to become successful entrepreneurs. Few of my students, second year level, they are earning 1 lakh rupees per month. पढ़ते पढ़ते सेकंड ईयर में 1 लाख रुपए महीना कमा लेते हैं उनके बिजनेस. The startup, registered startup with the college. Start thinking about it. आप अगर यूएस में जाते हो या जर्मनी में जाते हो तो आप यू हैव टू अर्न, देयर इज नो अल्टरनेटिव, बिकॉज द मनी दैट यू रिक्वायर फॉर कीपिंग योर लाइवलीहुड इज सो हाई. आप सिर्फ माँ बाप के पैसे के ऊपर वहाँ पे जा रहे हो, तो वेरी डिफिकल्ट टास्क. So you have to work on petrol pump, you have to work on India Bazaar, or you have to work on somewhere else to earn some amount of money to survive over there. तो आप यूएस में जाके क्यों सर्वाइव हो, यहाँ पे सर्वाइव हो. सेकेंड ईयर पे स्टार्ट अर्निंग, सपोर्ट योर फैमिली. अपार्ट फ्रॉम सपोर्टिंग द फैमिली, सपोर्ट योर कंट्री टू डेवलप अ न्यू प्रोडक्ट फॉर इंडिया अंडर आत्मनिर्भर भारत. So we provide you all the infrastructure needed for developing your product. My lab will be open maybe within a month. It is open 24/7. You can work in my lab 24/7. IIT मुंबई में आप जाते हो तो आपको एक आधे लैब का अपॉइंटमेंट रात को 3 बजे मिलता है, क्योंकि ऑल द लैब्स इन IITs आर ओपन 24/7. हमारे यहाँ वो कल्चर अभी तक आया नहीं है. So you have to start thinking about, because when you start thinking about a product, that should remain in your mind every moment you live with that product. 3 Idiots बघितला सगळ्यांनी. That fellow used to develop that drone. He was living with that. He was supposed to do everything with that particular consideration in mind कि मुझे वो develop करना. So you have to start thinking right at this stage, and this stage is supporting your intellect because you are not engrossed by any of the technologies in the world. Don't think कि ये नहीं हो सकता. Nothing is impossible in the world. 20 साल पहले किसी को मालूम था कि ये आएगा, तो भी आ गया है. And now this is the most important gadget that everybody has, and we are the largest users of this gadget in the world. We are the largest users of e-commerce in the world. हमारे भाजी वाले के पास QR कोड होता है और आप he does the transaction कौन से भी देश में नहीं होता है. People were laughing at Modi ji कि आप ये क्या कर रहे हो. Now this is going to happen that somewhere in near future there will be no currency. आपके पास नोट नहीं होंगे, कॉइन्स नहीं होंगे. You have to pay everything in digital form. So there will be transparency. There will be no corruption. The purpose of doing all these things that you have to create a transparency, you should reduce the corruption. We are working on these thrust areas. So The first and most important is agriculture, then AI/ML, automation, food processing, electric vehicles, healthcare, environment and energy. This list is not limited. You can select anything that you want to do. Now we have these Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs. There are 17 Sustainable Development Goals by US. Now if you look at all these goals, no poverty, zero hunger, good health and well-being, quality education, gender equality, all are important all over world. ये यूएस में चलता है तो इंडिया में नहीं चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं होगा. If poverty is there in US, poverty is there in India. यूएस में भी भिखारी होते हैं, इंडिया में भी भिखारी है, बराबर है ना. तो यू हैव टू एलिमिनेट दैट. उसको खाना नहीं मिलता है, उधर भी नहीं मिलता है, इधर भी नहीं मिलता है. व्हाट यू कैन डू फॉर दैट? यहाँ पे भी माल न्यूट्रिशन चाइल्ड पैदा होता है, वहाँ पे भी माल न्यूट्रिशन चाइल्ड पैदा होता है. व्हाई वी शुड रिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑन गेटिंग अ माल न्यूट्रिशन चाइल्ड? How you can get the food for a malnutrition child so that it becomes healthy? All such kind of things are there in these. How many of you are member of Shashwat Club? Anybody? हमारे पास एक शाश्वत क्लब है, मालूम है? Yes, you are member of Shashwat Club. You know these goals? Yes. So start thinking and promote it to all your friends. Tell your friends that we should work on these kind of sustainable development goals. Maybe one of the goals you choose, work in a team and develop some products. Now what is the difference between invention and innovation? The very important thing. Inventions is discovering things that never have been discovered before. जैसे ये मोबाइल, ये इन्वेंशन पहले तो नहीं था, बाद में आ गया. अभी मोबाइल में जो भी फीचर्स ऐड होते हैं, दैट इज इनोवेशन. जैसे मोबाइल में पहले कैमरा नहीं था, बाद में ऐड हो गया. दिस इज एन इनोवेशन बिकॉज द प्रोडक्ट इज ऑलरेडी देयर. यू आर इंप्रूविंग द फीचर ऑफ दिस बाय एडिंग वैल्यू टू इट. And that's why you can use this gadget. You need not carry a camera. Previously मुझे कैमरा लेके घूमना पड़ता था, कैमरा से पिक्चर निकालने पड़ते थे. अभी there is no need. Nobody now you can find all these DSLRs and SLRs are going to the scrap. कोई नहीं यूज करता है because they are heavy. अभी इसमें जो फीचर्स आए हैं they are equivalent to SLR. So why somebody should use this camera? So something which is very important. Innovation on the other hand is the discovery of new ways of creating value. इसमें अगर कैमरा नहीं होता था तो इसका वैल्यू कम होता था. इसमें कैमरा आने के बाद इसका वैल्यू बढ़ गया. इसमें you can browse anything, you can talk to anything through WhatsApp anywhere in the world with zero cost. पहले हम इंटरनेशनल कॉल करते थे तो मिनट का मे बी 2000 रुपीज लगता था. So it's so expensive that you want to call international. Now with this gadget and with WhatsApp or some another feature, it has come down to zero. Solar energy. If you use solar energy, your electricity bills will come down to zero. मेरे सोसाइटी का इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल जीरो हो गया because I have put a 10 kilowatt solar power generation. Previously it was 10,000 rupees per month. You have to think in this particular fashion, so you are adding value and that's what is expected by innovation. There will be one inventor in a lakh. But you all sitting here can innovate. Are you getting it? आप सब innovation कर सकते हो. उसके लिए कोई बहुत बड़ा दिमाग नहीं लगता है, उसके लिए रॉकेट सायन्स नहीं लगता है. एक अंकिता नगरकर नावाची मुलगी होती आपल्या कॉलेजमध्ये. How many of you know? She was appreciated by Dr. Kalam. Ankita Nagarkar, what she developed, the stapler that you use, you don't know when the pins of that stapler are going to exhaust. मैंने शायद ये बोला होगा फर्स्ट ईयर में, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर, मैंने बोला था ना, आई थिंक ही रिमेम्बर्स. उसने क्या किया, स्टेपलर का बंडल जो होता है पिन का, लास्ट 5 पिन्स को रेड कलर मार्क कर. समझ में आ गया? So when I staple and a red color pin comes, I come to know that अभी मेरा पिंस खत्म होने वाला है and I should be ready with another bundle of pins. मैं सीईओ हूँ, मेरे पास 2-4 प्यून बाहर खड़े हैं, मैं उसके ऊपर चिल्लाता हूँ, अरे मुझे इतना भी मालूम नहीं कि स्टेपलर में पिन डाल के रखना है. Because my pins are exhausted, I want to staple something and I get angry on the peon. Very simple thing. To reduce that maybe change of mind, she developed that particular setup. तो मुझे समझ में आएगा कि लाल कलर का पिन आया तो मैं पिन को बटन दबा के बुलाऊंगा कि ये इसमें नया बंडल डाल. वेरी सिंपल थिंग वाज अप्रिशिएटेड बाय डॉक्टर कलाम. इसमें कुछ रॉकेट साइंस है, कुछ मिसाइल बनाया है, कुछ कैलकुलेशन किया है, कुछ इक्वेशन बनाया है, कुछ नहीं बनाया. सिंपल एप्लीकेशन ऑफ माइंड जस्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड द ह्यूमन साइकोलॉजी. That is what is expected. Innovation is looking at new ways of adding customer value and resolve the critical business problems. Now there is an innovation process wherein you can see there are some measurable outputs, that you should have new ideas, customer needs, problems, then you should have future developments, technological changes like AI came in, artificial intelligence, machine learning, ChatGPT now came in with AI. If you want to develop something, you can get ready-made results on ChatGPT. Maybe you can compare those things and think about your own results. Then you have some measurable activities that you need to write a concept note. आपने कभी concept note लिखा है? नहीं लिखा होगा, तो start googling about concept note, a 1-page concept of your idea. Then you have to experiment on it, develop a prototype. If it is not working, you have to reiterate the things. Edison factory. Edison had hundreds of scientists working for his factory. That's why Edison was having hundreds of patents in his name. एडिसन ने खुद नहीं दिमाग लगाया, उन्होंने दिमाग हायर किया. Hundreds of people worked for Edison and developed hundreds of patents, and all the patents were in the name of Edison because he was paying salary to those people. That's what is expected, that once you get this, then you get the output in the form of new products, new values, new services, new designs, new processes. The first principle of innovation, maximize. Maximize above norm. What do you have to maximize? You have to maximize the values. I will not go into details. There are so many products, those who added value to their product. And that's why you can read those. Maximize the aesthetic design. Hindustan Motor Ambassador car. आप जब छोटे थे तो ambassador car देखा होगा. Our Prime Minister and President used to come in that ambassador car. Ambassador Hindustan Motor died. because they have not changed the design of that car, aesthetics of that car. वही मॉडल उसको मार्क 3 मार्क 4 लगा के बाजार में लाते। अभी तो people are customer is very clever, उसको अगर BMW मिल रहा है with a very aesthetic design, why you should go for ambassador? I mean, you will not find ambassador, our prime minister and president is not getting an ambassador because he died. Just because they have not added the aesthetic design, efficiency, surprises, experiences. You have to enhance all these things. And you have to minimize all these things. You have to minimize the problems, you have to minimize the price, you have to minimize the time, you have to minimize the size, you have to minimize the efforts. Bicycle, सबने bicycle चलाया? People came with a geared bicycle. आप जब slope पे चढ़ते हो, तो पहले अगर with a simple bicycle है, chain and sprocket वाला, तो you need to put in lot of efforts. आप चढ़ नहीं पाते, so you get down and then pull that bicycle over. Now because of geared bicycle, your efforts are minimized. You just do the pedaling, it will move because it has a gear train put inside that to reduce the efforts. This is something which you need to think about. These are the 8 principles. You can note down these principles. These will be useful to you throughout your life. Throughout your life, you can use these principles for developing something new. First is combine. What you can combine? Break. What you can combine, what you can reverse, what you can eliminate, what you can adjust, what you can divide, what you can substitute, what you can utilize, and what you can modify. And these will be applicable throughout your life. आप टेस्ला में काम कर रहे हो and you want to eliminate some product of that particular car. टेस्ला कार का कुछ प्रोडक्ट है, कंपोनेंट है, उसको eliminate करना है. So your thought process should be such that how I can work by eliminating that element from that car. So we can think about all these 8 principles in detail with some examples so that you can understand these principles in detail. So the first principle is combine. A very good example of combine is your mobile phone. You can combine all the different technologies. There are different products inside that, processes inside that, capabilities inside that, technologies inside that, disciplines inside that. Combine. Elderly person, when he walks, he used to take a stick. Now that stick is combined with a torch. I had called one person, one professor from IIT Mumbai, Industrial Design Center, IDC. IDC is a branch in IIT Mumbai. Professor Bapat. He gave one example. That if an elderly person, maybe aged 90 years old, and he is just walking, he has locked the door of his house and the keys fell down. उसका जो keys है वो गिर गया. Now that fellow is 85 years old. he cannot bend, उसका हाथ शिवर हो रहा है, he just can't get that particular thing, जो कीज गिर गया है वो नहीं ले पा रहा. A simple thing that we have added a small magnet over here. क्या करेगा, स्टिक से उठाएगा, हाथ में लेगा, जेब में डालेगा. वेरी सिंपल थिंग. कुछ दिमाग, कुछ रॉकेट साइंस है? कुछ भी नहीं है. नटराज ने पेंसिल और इरेजर कंबाइन कर दिया. पहले था क्या, आप स्कूल में थे तब एक इरेजर लेके जाते थे और एक पेंसिल लेके जाते थे, अलग अलग, बराबर है ना. Now somebody thought कि if I combine these two together, I'll be getting a single product. I need a minimum space in my compass, and it will not, I will not forget it. और वो कभी घूम नहीं सकता है क्योंकि उसके साथ लगा हुआ, बराबर है ना. वेरी सिंपल कॉज. सिंपल कॉज, कभी आप इरेजर भूल जाते हो तो you should have an eraser in your pencil itself. Got it? This is an example of combine. A lot of accidents happen because of talking on mobile. ऐसे करके जा रहा है, गाड़ी चला रहा है और ठोक दे रहा है, हो रहा है ना. Why not to create such kind of things? NID, National Institute of Design, Ahmedabad. I had been to NID Ahmedabad and there was a professor called as Shashank Mehta. You can search these names on Google. Professor Bapat का नाम सर्च कर सकते हो, Professor Shashank Mehta का नाम सर्च कर सकते हो. He has developed helmet for people working in mines, coal mines. Coal mines रहते हैं ना, there may be 20-25 kilometers अंदर जाना पड़ता है, उसको हेलमेट लगाना पड़ता है. Then he has sometimes use oxygen mask and all those things, and then he should have a torch or something. हेलमेट के ऊपर ही उसने एक गमेला रख दिया. Everything he has done so many innovations in just for a helmet for a person working in a mine. आप भी काम कर सकते हो. कुछ तो छूटा होगा, किसी ने नहीं बनाया होगा. Start thinking about that. Now you have Google with you. Previously वो भी नहीं था, हमारे ज़माने में वो भी नहीं था. So you have to go to the library. 40 साल पहले का पेपर ढूंढ के निकालना पड़ता था, उसमें से ढूंढ के निकालना पड़ता था कि ये टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं है, ये बनाना पड़ेगा. अभी everything is available on Google. There is a search engine called as Google Patent. How many of you know? Google पे जाना है और Google Patent टाइप करना है. You'll get a separate search engine for patents only, all over world. आपको European patent find out करना है. You just write EP and the number of that patent, you will get an European patent. आपको चाइनीज पेटेंट फाइंड करना है, यू जस्ट फाइंड चाइनीज पेटेंट, यू विल फाइंड यूएस पेटेंट, यू विल फाइंड कोरियन पेटेंट, यू विल फाइंड इंडियन पेटेंट. So Google has done your work easy. Reverse. 20 साल पहले हमको बैंक में जाना पड़ता था, बैंक में एक तो चेक से पैसा निकालना पड़ता था या विड्रॉल स्लिप देके आधा घंटा बैठना पड़ता था. He used to give the token and we have to wait for that token to come. अभी भी चल रहा है वो, but a concept came called as automatic teller machines, ATM. You need not wait for your own money. आपका खुद का पैसा है, वो निकालने के लिए आपको रुकना पड़ता है. It is not correct. Are you getting it? So somebody thought of creating an ATM machine. Somebody thought कि मुझे एक आदिवासी पाड़ा है कि जहाँ पे बैंक नहीं है 10 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर्स में, तो आई कैन टेक दिस बैंक टू दैट आदिवासी पाड़ा, उसके पास भी पैसा है, वो पैसा निकालने के लिए 10 किलोमीटर लंबा जाना पड़ता है. नाउ दैट ATM इज एट हिज आदिवासी पाड़ा. somebody thought reverse कि आपको बैंक में नहीं जाना है, बैंक आपके पास आएगा. रिवर्स, राइट? अ मोबाइल ATM. एलिमिनेट. क्या एलिमिनेट कर दिया है? कीबोर्ड एलिमिनेट कर दिया है, स्क्रीन एलिमिनेट कर दिया है. पेन कंप्यूटर, वो पेन से मैं यहाँ पे फोकस करूंगा तो यहाँ पे एक कीबोर्ड जनरेट होगा, and if I work on that, it is going to operate. I need not have the screen. The screen cost 10 lakh rupees. तो मुझे क्यों खर्चा करना है? मुझे एक सिंपल ऐसा व्हाइट वॉल मिल गया तो उसके ऊपर मैं प्रोजेक्ट कर सकता हूँ. Why I should invest 10 lakh rupees? So somebody thought to eliminate some things to create something new. अभी एक बाइसिकल आ गया है विदाउट चेन. पहले बाइसिकल थे एक बड़ा स्प्रॉकेट, एक पीछे वाला स्प्रॉकेट और उसमें से चेन. प्रॉब्लम क्या होता था, आपने साइकिल चलाई होगी तो मालूम है कि वो चेन गिर जाता है, फिर वो हाथ काला हो जाता है, उसको लगाते हो, कभी थोड़ा जाने के बाद वापस गिर जाता है. क्या है ये प्रॉब्लम? इनोवेशन प्रोसेस में इनपुट में क्या है? प्रॉब्लम. दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम. नाउ आई हैव टू थिंक हाउ आई कैन एलिमिनेट चेन फ्रॉम द बाइसिकल. People started working on it, and the bicycle came nowadays in market without chain and sprocket. Refrigerator without compressor. कभी सोच सकते हो? आ गया. IC engine was eliminated. Electric vehicle came into the market. उसमें IC इंजन ही एलिमिनेट कर दिया हमने. इंटरनल कंबशन इंजन जो होता है, पेट्रोल इंजन, डीजल इंजन, CNG इंजन, LNG इंजन हमने एलिमिनेट कर दिया और इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल आ गया, हाइड्रोजन फ्यूल व्हीकल आ गया. This is something you need to think about. There is one creature in the world which survives without blood, without heart, without bones. If that can survive, why not we? क्या है?
Octopus.
Octopus is something different, but there is a feature.
Jellyfish.
I don't remember the name.
The jellyfish.
Right now, but
Jellyfish.
I'll tell you octopus. But there is a feature which survives without all these things. Adjust. Flight entertainment system adjusted onto the back of the seat. Adjust. ये पहले था क्या? कार में all the volume controls and your music controls, cruise control, everything is there in the steering. पहले था क्या? नहीं था. Because if you are running at 140 kilometers per hour on an express highway and your attention goes to something which is apart from your steering, वहाँ पे आप steering ये music control कर रहे हो, 140 किलोमीटर से जा रहे हो, and आपका बॉडी थोड़ा सा ऐसा हो जाता है, it will hit onto the barriers. So, considering that problem, the airbag, air control, car steering, cruise control, everything is there now in your steering. Divide. Volkswagen thought that if I am a frequent traveler, why I should carry a suitcase every time? My suitcase will be there in my car. So my car is divided into two parts. मैं हर रोज अलग अलग जगह घूमता हूँ. एयरपोर्ट पे जाता हूँ, सूटकेस निकालता हूँ, जाके रात में वापस आ जाता हूँ, सूटकेस लगाता हूँ, घर चलता हूँ. Next day I go to some another place. So this is something they thought of dividing the car into two parts. Substitute. Again, BMW. आप अगर कार खरीद लेते हो तो रेड कलर का कार खरीद लिया, तो रेड कलर का कार कम से कम 10 साल तो आपको देखना पड़ता है, एक ही कलर का कार और एक ही शेप का कार. Now this car, you can change the shape of the car because it is a wireframe structure. ये wireframe को मैंने इधर घुमा दिया, I will get a different shape. If I put it over here, I will get a different shape. And I can change the fabric of this car just like I changed my shirt. लेकिन ये fabric maybe in a year, तो ये कार का as per इंडियन मोटर व्हीकल एक्ट समझो 15-20 साल उसका लाइफ है, so I can have 15 different colors in the life of that. Every year I will have a different fabric for my car, and the fabric is so tough that if you hit the car, maybe you had a very fatal accident, nothing will happen to you because the safety features are provided in the car in such a way that is not going to affect the safety of a person. Then you have a solar and other features into it so that you have substituted the IC engine with some another energy. Wind energy. Algae for making fuel. Now nobody thought कि ये इससे fuel हो सकता है. Algae आपने देखा होगा, इससे फ्यूल होता है. यूटिलाइज, ये टायर से उससे डीजल होता है आजकल. There is a process called as pyrolysis. Pyrolysis is burning without oxygen. Now when you burn this, you generate an oil which is equivalent to diesel and you can use it as a fuel. You can utilize these plastic bottles to convert it into this car. ये जो कार बनाया है ये पूरा thrown away plastic bottle से बनाया है. What we are planning right now with our largest 3D printer is to capture plastic. So we have a hospital, Aditya Birla Hospital. Aditya Birla Hospital से कम 10,000 saline bottle per day बाहर आ जाते. 10,000 syringes, इंजेक्शन देता है ना उसका syringe होता है, that is all in PP, polypropylene. We'll capture it. 10,000 saline bottle, 10,000 syringes. We clean it, we shred it, we convert it into granules, and we put all those granules in our machine to create a beautiful furniture, which otherwise is going to landmines. और 2000 साल के पहले वो disintegrate नहीं होने वाला, because it is not recyclable, that means biodegradable plastic. Modified. Design inspired by nature. There is one session that I may take in future in your class related to biomimicry. Learning from nature. Nature is the greatest guru in this world. What you can learn from nature is that you have to think about. So this is a fish. The name of this fish is beluga. And the weight of this fish is around 5 tons. और वो समंदर में very easily managed, effortlessly managed. So somebody thought कि मुझे एक एयरबस बनाना है जो एयरबस में 3 हेलीकॉप्टर्स अंदर लेके, दिस इज एन कार्गो एयरक्राफ्ट. द नेम ऑफ दिस एयरक्राफ्ट इज Beluga, the name of the fish, and the same concept that it can carry huge amount of loads from one destination to another because of the shape of this. Shinkansen, naam suna? Shinkansen, the first bullet train in the world, developed by Japan. वो बुलेट ट्रेन आने के बाद जापानीज पीपल स्टार्टेड शाउटिंग एट गवर्नमेंट ऑफ जापान कि ये बंद कर दो, बिकॉज व्हेन यू यूज्ड टू ट्रैवल इन अ टनल इट वाज क्रिएटिंग ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ नॉइज. आजू बाजू रहने वाले लोगों ने गवर्नमेंट ऑफ जापान को लिख दिया कि ये ट्रेन जो आपने चालू किया है 500 किलोमीटर पर आवर से जाता है वो बंद कर दो, बिकॉज वी कैन नॉट लिव नियर दैट पर्टिकुलर tunnel. So there is a Japanese Union of Scientists and Engineers, JUSE, J-U-S-E, Japanese Union of Scientists and Engineers, because I had been to Japan and I have seen all those things. I was able to sit into that Shinkansen also. You will not come to know that it is running at 450 kilometers per hour. आपको समझ में नहीं आता है कि इतने जोर से वो भाग रही है. So, उन्होंने they looked at kingfisher, खंड्या पक्षी. खंड्या पक्षी आकाशात उडत असताना एका मीडियम मधनं पाण्यामध्ये जातो, पाण्यामध्ये मासा पकडतो, विदाउट स्प्लॅशिंग मच ऑफ द वॉटर कम्स आउट, कॅचिंग द प्रे. They mimicked the beak of kingfisher and developed the Shinkansen head. The noise level reduced by 60%. So now you can find the previous shape of Shinkansen was flat. Now it is the shape of beak of kingfisher. So if Japanese Union of Scientists and Engineers can think about nature to reduce the sound pollution, why not you? We have developed a bamboo noise reduction wall. अभी तक किसी ने नहीं बनाया, मेरे वेबसाइट पे जाते हो तो आपको दिखेगा. So bamboo has a capability to absorb noise. And we have used that. This is a natural thing. Now these are two last slides. Technology readiness level, because nowadays you have to think about the products which are TRL level. Now what is this TRL level? Now when you think about research, development and deployment, we are now just thinking about development. Maybe at third year and final year level you can think about deployment. Basically at first year level you should start thinking about research. जैसे आपने PBL में किया, PBL था ना आपको?
EDI.
Problem based learning और project based learning नहीं था. EDI था, कुछ तो था. Wherein you are supposed to think about the problem, develop the solution, develop a raw prototype and showcase it in an exhibition. Further, you can strengthen it in development. So, technology validation in the lab, TRL level 4. Technology validated in relevant environment, technology TRL number 5. Technology demonstration in relevant environment, TRL 6. Once you have developed a product in TRL 6 level, you get the confidence that it is going to work in the market. People will accept it in the market and you have a potential for selling it in the market. Then you can think about developing a prototype which is operational environment. Karsanbhai Patel, नाम सुना है? Karsan Bhai Patel, owner of Nirma Udyog, the first person to think about washing powders in India. Nirma washing powder. पहले जब वॉशिंग पाउडर होते थे तो उसमें कॉस्टिक सोडा होता था. तो कॉस्टिक सोडा में आप हाथ डालते हो तो यू गेट इरिटेशन टू योर हैंड बिकॉज इट इज अ केमिकल. द पर्पज ऑफ दैट वाज टू क्लीन योर क्लोथ्स. नाउ ही स्टार्टेड वर्किंग ऑन अ केमिकल कॉम्बिनेशन एंड केम अप विथ a washing powder. He gave it to 5 of his friends. एक किलो 5 फ्रेंड्स को दे दिया. 5 फ्रेंड्स 1 महीने के बाद वापस आ गए. आपने जो बना के दिया था हमको और चाहिए. That was a deployment stage. TRL level 7. तो TRL level 7 पे उसको समझ में आ गया कि ये चीज चलने वाला है. Then he manufactured 1000 kg and gave it to 1000 people free of cost. 1000 के 1000 लोग वापस आ गए कि हमको और चाहिए. Now he has developed a TRL level 9 product and now you can find that Karsan Bhai Patel is having his own university, Nirma University, one of the best university in India. A person having the knowledge of chemical has grown to such an extent with a single product in his name. I have given the example of lady of NCL, earn 5 crore rupees. Now Karsan Bhai Patel earn thousands of crore rupees from a single product. Think about it. So these are the things, technology ready, that you have an idea, then you have a prototype, then you have to validate it, and then you have to product. So from idea to product conversion, that should be the stages of TRL level. So thank you. I'm not. I think I have extended your time. I have extended your time for the break also, but that is going to help you in your. If you have any questions, you can ask.